Hey everybody, I'm here to give you a tip today that is so simple that you may not have even thought of it. What is the worst thing when you're getting in a car or a truck with non-mechanical mirrors? You have to get in and out and adjust them. It's a pain in the ass. When it comes to adjusting your mirrors, it can be a little bit annoying, but I'm about to show you something that's gonna probably blow your mind. So you're sitting in the truck, right, ready to set off, and your mirrors are in the wrong place. Now, a lot of you will get me here because a lot of you will have adjustable mirrors in your car. Now, a lot of trucks and vans don't have automatic mirrors like modern cars do. So what you're going to have to do is get in and out and adjust the mirrors constantly. Now that can be a pain, right? Not with this trick. You're going to be in and out once, I promise you. It's quite simple, really. All you need to do is get the mirror here. Simply just point it at the driver's headrest. Just stand right next to the truck, like so, and point it at the driver's headrest. Simple as that. And when you get in the truck, it'll be aligned perfectly. You'll see a little bit of truck and a lot of road. Same thing applies for the passenger side. Simply just get alongside it and align it to the driver's headrest. Easy as that, because that's where your head's going to be. And that's it for our first tip video. If you do want to see more of these, make sure you follow our pages so you're notified when the new videos are released. If you do need a truck or a van to rent to move house or whatever you're doing, do give us a call as well. We'll see you next time.